Magandang gabi mga idol. Ang baligang ito ay atid sa inyo ng ating Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay San Manuel. Enjoy watching!
Shoutout kay Dave Taguli ha. Thank you so much with Dave Taguli. Yan, maraming salamat. Yan, shoutout sa ating tropa na Dave Taguli ng Barangay Purilang wala po sa Barangay Pantubig. Shoutout Dave Taguli. Maraming salamat. We have only 7 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. We have on the score of 12-23 score. It's a 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in traveling violation. Magpatawagin nga po na traveling violation for that kwentuhan. 2 minuto ay 7 minuto at 26 segundo wala sa ating second quarter. Harrison, number 1. Inside minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Going for the win side, number 13 and a big robbery violation. Seconds on the shot clock. It's 7 minutes to go. 7 minuto nilimas mga Choy ha. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8-1-23 score. We have only 8 seconds to shoot. Outside jumper by Tavi. At not for a 3-point set at 30 seconds on the shot clock. It's 5 seconds to shoot. Number 15. They're shooting Bernales 2 points. Bernales got a good for 2 points, 14-23 score. 13 on the shot line. 8-1 for legal kick. Jersey number 15 called for legal kick. Lord illegal screening. Third personal foul. Substitution. And Jersey on the door number 15 in on the substitution. We're on the stop. At Jersey number 1. Tate Guevara. Not good for Palay. Jersey number 10, Chopper. We need to maluwag nga po yung ating butas. Usapang luwangan ay call for out of bounds. Green shirts, last touch, and brown shirts, basketball. And Jersey number 18, Aurelio, 2 points. Aurelio got the good for 2 points at running score 14-25 score. In 14-25. The 14-25 score, we have only 5 minutes and 33 seconds. And the Jersey number 1 using the glass, good for 2 points. Bella. Second Largo, robbery violation. In 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining, 16-25 score. In 5-3, number 10 rebound. And going for the brown shirts. Bago hinulat number 7 Isayan. Isakay mula sa ating talamahan ng Katie Mawillo. Anton Stolen. Going for the Chelsea by Tavi. In 5 minutes and 80 seconds remaining, number 2 Tavi. Number 1 Chopper Sakay. And your rebound, steal. Here's the same ball position. Marcus Kitchen basketball. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. to join Natika, and number 24, Parker 3. The jersey number 77 called for technical for the starting. Yung pagkaklap po ha, bawal na bawal po yun. Automatic may tawagan tayo ng technical. Thank you so much. Jersey number 24, 8-5. Ball position. In the ball position, your team of Propransel for team of Centro Uno Basketball. Score 17-25 score. Decision 25 sa ating talaan mga Choy. Important sila 55 sa sumiling, number 18. 15 sa Masondi Shotgun. Junior 5-3 outside. Not good for Junior. And 3 points. Tatlong hapag-usan ang nilalagay. 20-25 baba sa 5. At Cesar aiming to the wing side. At on full of play. Bounce pass. Aurelio. They can't Largo. Not good for Kent Largo. Number 18. Jump the situation. Matis Kitchen. Basketball. Substitution. Here is substitution. Largo, number 24, Vinny. It's a 4 minutes. And Junior, number 34, Vinny. Gamit the team of Matis Kitchen. Here for the team of black green shirts. At laban sa isa. Tara laban sa isa. Saklay. Entry back. Wala pa rin. In ball position. Important Sam substitution. In jersey number 13 now will you in. Di pinagpahinga itong Pagligas. 3 minutes in at 45 substitution. 3 minutes and 45 substitution. It's actually 2 points, 5-5. Game 22-25, papasa tatlo. Ibabasa tatlo yung inaangat ng lamangan for the team of Centro Uno. And a chase number 18, 5-5 na Aurelio. Aurelio! Ang malalim sa bando, 3 points! Ang Hachimura ng Avenue. It's a 13 sound on the shot line. And the Chelsea number 9. Foul Chelsea number 18, pushing foul. The third personal foul in the second team foul. 3 minutes in the 6 seconds away. 3 minutes, 5 seconds shot clock, 3 seconds to shoot. 8 palay, 5-3. At kasi po yung magkakape, hindi nagkaamoy yan. Medyo ng teammate, hindi na po nagkaamoy yan. At tapasan ng mula sa kanyang teammate. Junior, at number 15, Chopper, 2 points, Junior. And a steal. It's a shooting 2 points. And 24-30 score. We have only 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Timeout, your team, Matis Kitchen. They called for timeout for team of Matis Kitchen. We have only 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. It's 2 minutes to go. Ito minuto natitira mga Choy ha. At talagang we have only remaining time. And 8 seconds on the shot clock. Mavitan Chopper shooting 2 points. Tolosa. Roy Aurelio. They had Chimona and Aurelio good for 2 points. They 130 seconds remaining. Isang minuto 30 segundo. They call for foul on jersey number 18. Call for foul, sub-t-shirt. Warning for foul by Aurelio for personal foul. And a 13th foul. One minute 20 seconds remaining. Pinagkaan mo yan. Yung teammates mo yan. In prime titles, 26. Then 26-32 score. 1 minute 5 seconds remaining. Number 34. Eric Palay. 2 points by Palay. 1 minute to go. They count. It's a counted basket. Foul on jersey number 34. Eric contact with arm in a 1 pick up. First personal foul at the 17th foul. Then jersey number 15, Reginald. Then 28-35, 50 Samsung. 43 Samsung. It's a bad chance to shoot. And a jersey number 2, looking for the teammate. And boom! Pero yung usapang pag-lock, may pangako sa kanyang pangangatawan. We have only 34 seconds remaining. Call for foul. First personal foul and warning to entering for foul scene. Number 77. Patrovino. It's a first personal foul and a 14th foul. It's a 34 seconds remaining. And a jersey number 77 passing word. 24 seconds remaining. In break, jersey number 1, 2 points. Number shotgun. 18 seconds. Going to Lenore. Looking for the teammate. Michael Stalin. Wala na po tayong shotgun. 10 seconds. In 31, 35. In a jersey number 1. Uy! Dinugog pa! 5 seconds! Number shotgun 3. And Lenore. 2 points. Masaloni. And that's the buzzer. And that's the end of the second quarter, half number 1. Maraming salamat po. And po si RJ. At ganoon din po sa ating tinutuluyan. And ang ating Lola Charin. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Yan, pumapalakpakan po mula sa ating Lola Charin. Thank you so much po. And Lenore, 5 for 3 points. Maraming salamat. Tinggalin ng takwato at hanap nyo. Lola Charin Pension House ang puntahan nyo. Maraming salamat po dyan. It's a 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Number 34. And 5-3 40. We have only 10 seconds on the shot line. We have only 8 seconds to shoot. Number 12. At Pastolo to the wings. Uy! Pakayin mo tingin. 3 seconds shot line. We have only 2 seconds to shoot. And still. No ball position. Wala po tayong ball control. Automatic 24 shot line condition. No ball control. Wala pong ball control ng maawag po. Automatic natatawagan ng 24 shot line condition. Thank you so much. Pagpulogin. Here we have only 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. At number 15, going for the weak side, inside the ring. Aurelio, it's good for 2 points. I-31, 42, 11 point lead. At syempre, hatid na rin sa atin ito ang Magis Kitchen, automatic na restaurant masan, and Magis Kitchen, at number 22, partner 3 outside chopper. It's good for 3 points. Putusan kay Tindong, and it's 4-34-42 score. Apa 8 point lead for Team Mapasa at Uro. And itong batang Ginor Tagot. And Tagot Ginor, number 15, Par! May manong-manong usapan. Walang problema dyan. Di mula sa ating manong-manong putusan. 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Mabilis ang pasahan. Yung pinag-uusapan, basta marunong tumasa. Huwag kaya ng extra laging pasa. Good for 2 points. 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Ngayon yung sinasabi, yung tipong magkapit bahay, yung chistisang hindi na uubusan. Good for 2 points. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 26-46 score. Then the chopper shooting 2 points. 6 minutes. Y 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 38-46.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng subscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At pakibisita na rin po ang ating Facebook page, Franz TV 2.0. Pakipalo na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.